Hi guys, I'm Dan Hoff, Chief Operating Officer of Honeystick, and today we're bringing you a quick video to show off our new product, which is a stick battery. Now this stick battery is a variable voltage auto draw battery. You can get a nice look at it here. It is matte black with the Honeystick logo front and center. You have a little stylus tip. Now, a couple of quick facts about this battery. So it has a voltage range from 3.5 all the way up to 4.1, where it's adjustable. There's 4 temperature levels. It has 400 mAh, so it's a very high capacity for one of these slim variable voltage batteries. It is a 510 thread, so it's going to work with basically all of your cartridges that you can pick up at the dispensaries. And it is a buttonless body here. However, the stylus tip, by pushing on it, is where you would control and adjust the unit. So with that being said, there's a 510 thread. You do have some cartridge restrictions, which is very few. Now, the restriction you have, and let's get close up, is that you have to make sure that your cartridge has an air hole on it. As you see, this one does not have an air hole on it. Let's zoom in real nice just to show everybody. This one does not. This one does. A majority of the cartridges on the market do have air holes to allow you to vape because of the popularity of auto draw batteries. Now, as you might know, just a little background before we get into unit specifics, is that in the Honeystick lineup, we only have 3 current auto draw batteries, and they are all concealers. We have the B-Box, the Elf, and the Elf Twist. Now, the Elf Twist is the only variable voltage auto draw unit that we have. So adding this buttonless stick battery, Honeystick, is going to not only allow you to have the option of having a stick, which our stick batteries are very, very popular right now, but it's going to have the auto draw as well as the variable voltage. So let's get into what you get when you purchase the cool little kit here. It's just going to come in a nice little matte black cardboard box, Honeystick logos, a window cut out for the battery. And once you open it up, you're just going to have a little tray here. It's going to have your charger as well as your battery. So the first thing that you're going to do when you get your battery is you're going to get it on the charger. Now the way you do that, you simply take the battery, you screw it in, and then you get this over to either a desktop computer or you plug it into a wall adapter. I tell people to avoid power banks, rapid chargers, laptop computers, or any Apple charging products to make sure that you get a good charge on your battery. So once it's all charged up, which the directions say, usually, depending on the charging source, it's probably going to take you about an hour and a half from dead, but that'll be indicated to you in the lights on the unit. So what you're going to do is once you have it all charged up, you're going to unscrew it, you're going to put your cartridge on there, and a lot of people with traditional auto draw batteries are just going to go and try to vape on it. However, this battery also has a locking function. So let's get down because we're going to have to show you guys some functionality. So once your unit's all charged up, the first thing that you have to do is unlock the unit. You do that by taking the stylus tip, which actually is usable on your touchscreen smart devices. It's pretty useful. What you do is you push on it, you hear a little click. There's a little button hidden behind there, which is your controller. So first of all, you're going to unlock it. So you're going to have to click this button 5 times rapidly, and then these LED lights are going to blink up. You see how it blinked up white? Now the unit is ready to vape. Now this is multi-temperature, and the way that you tell the temperature is by looking at the color of the LED that you'll see blink up. As you can tell here, it's green. So green means it is actually on its second lowest setting, which is 3.7 volts in this instance. The lowest setting is indicated with a blue color, which is 3.5 volts. So in order to change the temperature, you would click this 3 times rapidly. And when I mean rapidly, when turning on or going into any of these modes, you have to get it clicked, multiple clicks in under a second. So 3 clicks, 1, 2, 3. There, it's green. Hold on, 1, 2, 3. See, I must have not clicked it fast enough. Now you have yellow, which is the second highest setting for that. Now we're going to click it 3 times again. You see red. Red is the highest setting, which is 4.1. And the yellow is actually 3.9. Now we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And blue, there's the lowest setting. So that's going to show you what the temperature settings are. You just simply leave it on the setting, and you can go ahead and vape and adjust your power as you see fit. Now, if you want to enter into preheat mode when the unit is unlocked, you would click this button twice rapidly. So you go 1, 2, and now you see how it just has the steady illuminated blue light there. That means it is on preheat. And to exit preheat, you can just push the button and it will cancel the preheat. Now this is an auto draw. You can relock the unit by clicking it 5 times rapidly. And now you see it is locked. So you don't have to lock it because it's only going to turn on with the power of your inhale. However, you do have that added safety feature on this battery. So you have the high capacity battery. It is 4 separate voltage settings that you can adjust the intensity. It is 510 thread, so it's going to work with a majority of your cartridges. And it is a very good way to get started if you are one of those auto draw people. So this stick battery is going to be available on www.vapehoneystick.com. Make sure you guys check out our Instagram at Vape Honey Stick and official Vape Honey Stick. Make sure you guys like us. Subscribe to our newsletter to get new mail promotions. Use my special promo code HONEY420 for 20% off this and several other cool items. And make sure that when you are auto draw honey stick vaping, that you're out there doing it responsibly. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys, and until next time, enjoy. Cheers.